Hello everyone, today we'll walk you through how to combine multiple PDF files into a single PDF file, and the best part is that it's entirely free. We'll guide you through two distinct methods to achieve this. Now, imagine you're on your desktop with three different PDF files that you want to merge into a single file. Let me show you how to use a free online service to merge your PDFs. Simply go to google.com and search for Merge PDF. You'll come across various services like Small PDF, I Love PDF, and even Adobe offering PDF merging capabilities. These services generally function similarly. You upload your PDF files, rearrange them as needed, merge them, and then download the combined file. The choice between them is quite flexible, as they share similar functionalities. Some may have daily limits on the number of files you can merge. Adobe, being one of the most renowned, requires sign-in for downloading, introducing a bit of additional friction. Let's explore Small PDF as an example. On Small PDF's website, you can either choose your files or simply drag and drop your PDFs. After selecting your three PDF files, click Open to upload them. The files are now uploaded, and it's worth noting that most of these services operate on a freemium model. They offer basic functionality for free, allowing a straightforward merge of all files, and many also provide a premium tier with additional features. This may include options such as adding watermarks or rearranging individual pages within the PDF. Currently, the basic version suffices, so you'll select the appropriate option. On the subsequent screen, you can arrange your PDF files as desired, and here, you'll organize them accordingly. Additionally, you have the option to add more pages if necessary. With everything in order, click on Merge PDF, and it appears to have successfully combined your PDF. As mentioned earlier, these services often have limitations on the number of PDFs you can merge daily. If more are needed, you can explore other services on the list. When ready to download, click the designated button, and the PDF is successfully saved. Upon opening it, you can see that the pages are now merged, achieving the desired outcome. However, it's important to note that these online services come with limitations and may require uploading sensitive documents to the cloud, which could be a concern. Next, let me demonstrate how you can use a computer-installed app for PDF merging, without any imposed limits, and without the PDF leaving your computer. There are various tools available for merging PDFs on your computer, but one highly recommended and trustworthy option is the PDF Toolkit Free, also known as PDFTK Free. This tool allows basic merging of PDF files, and there's a premium version, PDF Toolkit Pro, offering additional capabilities such as rotation, watermark addition, stamping, and more, available for a reasonable price of $3.99 if those features are needed. However, for today's task of simply merging a PDF, the free tool will suffice perfectly. To access this tool, visit the specified website. I've provided a link in the video description for your convenience. Once on the site, scroll down and click on the prominently displayed bright green button that reads, Download PDF Toolkit Free! Upon initiating the download, the prompt will appear, indicating that the app is a lightweight 3.5 megabytes, focusing solely on the merging capability without unnecessary bloatware. Click Run to proceed. After completing the download and installation of the PDF Toolkit, navigate to your taskbar and use the search field to type in PDFTK. The tool should appear. Click on it to open. In the PDF Toolkit interface, you can specify the pages or PDFs you want to merge. Click on Add PDF and select your three PDF files. Now, you can see all pages, and you have the flexibility to rearrange their order. On the right-hand side, various options allow you to specify which pages to include, whether it's a single page, a range, or even selecting even or odd pages. In terms of merging, this tool offers significant functionality compared to some free online services. You can even include the same file multiple times. For instance, you can choose one of your PDFs, duplicate the selection, and add it again. If, by chance, you added a PDF unintentionally, you can remove that selection. There's a significant amount of functionality available for merging PDFs in this section. Below, there are additional controls, but accessing them requires a premium subscription, and since you only need a basic merge, the current settings suit your needs. In the bottom left corner, click on Create PDF. This prompts a file window, allowing you to choose where to save your PDF. Opt for your desktop and name it Combined. Once satisfied, click on Save. The tool successfully merges your PDF files, creating a new file named Combined. Upon opening it, you find your merged PDF arranged exactly as desired. That's how straightforward it is to merge PDF files. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. To stay updated on similar content, hit the subscribe button. As always, I look forward to seeing you next time. Goodbye.